I found a present at my front door. I started to open it and then I thought, let me share it with you. I have no idea who it's from or what it is. Well, I think it's flowers because it says unwilted, and then it also says blooms this way, fragile, thank you. So I'm sure it's flowers, but I have no idea who this is from. So I thought I'd open it with you. Okay, when you open it, it says Peek-a-Bloom. Wow, okay. A crafted arrangement just for you. No fuss, no water, no achoo. Oh, that's for people who have allergies. Just unbox and brighten any room. Oh, this is very cool. Again, I have no idea who this is from. So let's see if my card will tell me. Cute display and the way they are sending it to us. Enjoy your unwilted paper flowers, but not signed. There are care instructions. All right, let's see. I'm wondering if this was sent to me as a gift from the company. They're so pretty. I don't remember asking for these or saying, yes, I would like them. So truly, this is a surprise. And wow, about to be Valentine's Day. So look at this. Wow. Okay, you pull them out. I love that. And a glass vase. I am sure I'm probably supposed to undo them and I can arrange them. What a great gift idea. So if this is from you, Unwilted Flowers, thank you. If someone sent them to me and did not sign them, thank you. Great idea for any holiday, bright colors, and I'm gonna have to look on their website to learn more about them. Hope you have a great day. Hope someone sends you a gift.